I remember when I first started using Microsoft Edge and I was trying to read the news as it would cycle through the page, and it would get so frustrating because it would constantly just move to the next scene without me being able to read it. The whole goal is to keep this screen from cycling through to the next article. And all you have to do is hover your mouse over the article and it remains paused until you start to move your mouse away from it, or you can continue cycling through the system by using the arrows on either side of the article, the right pointing arrow taking you forward and the left pointing arrow moving you back in the opposite direction. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one. If you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.